Welcome back to Baker's Bites. If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button. It really helps me want to make more videos like this for you. In the morning, we started by bringing the vegetables and rice from each house. We let the kids to start peeling and cutting the vegetables by them. We wanted them to learn the basics of cooking. The vegetables we used were carrots, potatoes, onion, Spanish, cauliflower, eggplant, and capsicum. Once they were done peeling and cutting, the children took their things back home for cleaning. As the kids cleaned up, the adults started to start the fire and started cooking. In the pot, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the onion and sauté. Sauté the onion until translucent. To the pot, add the potatoes. Because the potatoes will take the longest to cook, we add it first. Let's start adding the spices of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and cumin powder. And mix well. And add the remaining vegetables. Carrots, cauliflower, and mix well after a few minutes. Add the remaining vegetables, eggplant, capsicum, and Spanish. Mix well. Once all the ingredients come together, add the washed rice. Add some pepper and salt. And add the required amount of water. And add some more cumin powder and mix well, and close the pot with lid. Cook for around 12 to 15 minutes or until the rice is cooked through and is fluffy. Use the spoon and gently mix so the rice grain don't stick together. Until the veg biryani cools down slightly, we give them hard-boiled eggs to peel. As soon as they were done with the peeling the eggs, we served them the rice. Everyone, including the mothers, enjoyed the biryani.